Let's consider this question. We have a triangle on the board, 8 cm, 6 cm. What is the value of x? So we are going to use Pythagoras rule to solve this. So if we are doing that, here will be what? S square equals to what? 6 square plus 8 square. Alright? Now the next step is to simplify the equation. Alright? So s square is equals to 6 square, 6 raised to the power 2 is going to give us what? 36, which is 36 plus 8 raised to the power 2 give us 64. 64. So what we are going to do next is to add these two together so that we can get the value of x. All right. So if we are adding these two, here will be s squared, which is equals to 36 plus 64 is going to give us 100. 36 plus 64 will give us 100. All right. Now we have s squared equals to 100. To make s the subject of the formula, this square, we are going to move this square to this other side. So if we move this square to this side, it is changed to root. Okay. So here will now be x equals to root 100. Root 100 is going to give us, the square root of 100 is what? 10, which is equals to 10. Because any value that multiply itself to give you 100 is 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. So our final answer is what? 10. That is how to solve a question like this. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.